best idea to sneak into probably the most viewed and secured fights in the world. Tonight, Logan Paul and Floyd Mayweather are fighting. For those of you who don't know, Floyd Mayweather has sold out some of the biggest pay-per-view fights that there are. Because of how big this fight is, there's gonna be a lot of security. It's gonna be nearly impossible to sneak in. So let me show you guys how we plan on doing this. The first thing we did was Photoshop these custom all-access passes. Thanks to my friend Tyler for making it happen. I also wanted to mention, we were meant to be at this fight and we were meant to have really good tickets for free. My friend Jonathan right here,
Long story, but
he was guaranteed free tickets from Logan Paul. Didn't you even hop on a FaceTime call with him? All right, show us that call.
Flying out to come watch me spar, train with me, hang out. So whenever you're ready, whenever you want, we'll get you out here, come train with us, come hang out for a day, watch me spar, join the camp for a second.
Just some background is my friend John is a part of the Maverick Club. That's one of Logan Paul's exclusive memberships you can join. He won free tickets to the fight. He not only hopped on a FaceTime call with him, but he also got messages confirming that he was gonna be able to go to this event. With that being said, we were already planning on coming to Miami, excited for the fight, and when he just stopped responding and never gave tickets, we decided to take matters in our own hands and have some fun with it. It's a perfect opportunity for a cool video, a fun challenge. If we pull this off, this is gonna be something we never forget. After spending a few different days photoshopping, I was able to finalize our fake passes. I'm pretty impressed with the final results, and I'll show you them right now. It basically shows my name, it says all access, no seat provided, and news media. This is as close to as the real one's gonna look. Did a lot of research and it looks pretty real. These two passes are the ones my friend had made. This one says VIP, and this is the same except it says all access. The other thing we had to figure out was how to look official. We wanted to dress up super nice. So I'm gonna be wearing a full-on suit. I'm gonna have a crazy camera with me. This is gonna be the camera that I have with me. Number one is gonna be confidence, and that is probably gonna be the most important key to us sitting VIP. The plan is to likely have this around my neck rather than this, because I think having a personal photo just makes it seem a lot more realistic. We're also obviously gonna have walkie-talkies, so I plan on like radioing back and forth while I'm kind of walking by security. Because getting in the fight is gonna be easy, but going VIP is gonna be what's really hard. After getting in the fight, we're probably gonna walk around, stay at some of the higher levels at first, and then slowly make our way down and just see the different entrances. I'm thinking plan should be wait until one of the first fights start so that there's some like chaos going on. Once it all starts, then that's when we're gonna try and go through the VIP access. I have no doubt we're gonna make it to a pretty good view. Getting VIP is gonna be the crazy part. I think the only way to succeed in that is by doing so when it's super busy and super crowded. I'm gonna be wearing this shirt and this jacket alongside with some really nice shoes. The fight's going on in a couple hours. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed right now, so I'll see you guys looking all official. I just got my outfit on. I look pretty official. I'll show you guys what it's looking like. We got the suit, we got the badge, got my camera. I think I'm looking pretty professional. The last thing I need is earpieces and walkie-talkies just so that we kind of have the choice of what we want to wear. All right, we're super pressed for time. We had very, very bad time management.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no trying to leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month in every February. Told him side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. 777. Yeah. Told him slide, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. Yeah. 777. Couple of money in my head just to say they did it. Can't lie, I'm so paranoid and the windows tinted. I own everything around me, you can say it's rented. Not talking phone numbers when I'm talking 7 digits. Earn it by the day, every second minute. Used to pay me none, look, now they pay attention. Everybody say they drip, but I banded it. See them copy all the looks, but I stay switching. Pick up the loot, then hit the bank. Can't never change, still wrote the change. Captain say the pay, this ain't the day. They made me wait, I'm breaking chains. Yeah. Told me feeling bubbly out the rose. Took a minute, but I got it out the slow way. Friends turn to foes, haters tell them go away. Rappers making shiggy dance like a soul train. Told them slide, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. hectic. 777.
Shocked right now. Logan has done the impossible. Are you guys shocked at the results of the fight? You're not shocked? I think we just both proved that the impossible can be done. We snuck in ringside pretty much the entire fight. Guys, anything is possible if you put your mind to it. I'm shocked that we actually were able to pull it off. So comment below what your guys' thoughts are on the fight. I am very impressed with Logan Paul. There's been a lot of confusion on who won the fight. This fight was an exhibition, which means without a knockout, there would be no official winner. Unofficially, it looks like Floyd Mayweather won by about 4 points, scoring 74-78. Right when the fight ended, I was under the impression that Logan won just because everyone was cheering for him and he genuinely fought a lot better than anyone was expecting. I still can't believe we managed to pull this off. I think the craziest part was just being able to walk anywhere and pretty much have all access. No one questioned us once. People were like apologizing to us for being in our way. It was just crazy that like we didn't have one issue come up the entire time. It was just such a cool experience. Wasn't even able to film the craziest part of the fight. It was basically this VIP entrance room. It was just full of celebrities and pretty much high up people that even people with VIP passes couldn't get into, and somehow we were able to get inside with a bunch of complimentary food, and it was like a whole event like underground. It started to rain, so we hung out in there for probably about an hour, and once the main fight started, we came out. Overall, I was super impressed with this fight. A lot of respect for Logan and Floyd. Super cool to see this fight in person. If you guys think we should do this again, let me know. If this blows up, I'm gonna sneak into another fight, but actually film a lot more and prioritize the video showing every little detail. So I snuck into the Logan Paul Mayweather fight, and I was sitting ringside for the entire event. Here's how I did it. First, I had to make my own all-access media passes. Then I flew out to Miami. I got my pass all ready to go, and now I just had to look professional. It was now showtime. We passed the first layer of security, and we were now in the fight. We confidently walked through the staff-only area, and nobody was questioning us. Our plan worked, and we made it to the VIP section. We even managed to make it to the VIP lounge before the big fight started. It was now the moment that we had all been waiting for, and it was so crazy to watch the event from just a few feet away. Logan came in throwing a lot of punches the first round, and I was surprised by how well he was doing. But Floyd did not seem fazed by his punches. Floyd was dodging a lot of the punches, and it was starting to tire Logan out. They hugged it out for a while, and then Floyd landed a huge punch. The fight was coming to an end, so Logan began to mess around and showboat. This fight was an exhibition, so since nobody got knocked out, there was no official decision on who won. Most people are saying it was almost a tie with a slight favoring towards Mayweather. The night kept getting better and better because we literally got a walk on the ring. I just made a whole YouTube video, so go check it out if you want to see what really happened at this event. Comment below if you guys think I should sneak into other events. If so, what events are you thinking? And what other YouTube videos do you guys have in mind? Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.